Okay, good morning, children. Today, myself, Arun Sharma, I want to tell you about conic section. This is the most important topic. Those students who are preparing for JEE Advanced, NDA, at least two questions must come in the NDA exam. So, see this video carefully. Okay. So, what is the conic section? First question, see here. This is an axis line, and this is generator. If we will rotate this line, so you observe we got two type cone, upper or lower. This is upper and this is lower. This generate make alpha degree angles. Okay. What is the meaning of section mean part? If a plane intersect with this, so we got four cases arise. First case, when plane intersect this upper napkin at beta angle. If beta is equal to 90, this angle is beta is equal to 90 degree. So we got first case circle. Now case number 1. Case number 2. If beta is less than 90 and greater than alpha. So which figure we got? That is ellipse. Third case, if alpha and beta both angle are equal, then we got parabola. This shape is parabola and this shape is ellipse. Now fourth condition, if beta is greater than 0 and less than alpha, then we got hyperbola. So there are four situations when a plane intersect upper nap or lower. So we got four situations. If beta is equal to 90 degree, so we got a circle. And if beta is greater than alpha, less than 90, so we got ellipse. Next point, if alpha and beta are equal, then we got a parabola. And last, fourth condition, when beta is greater than 0 and less than alpha, we got hyperbola. So these four sections we will discuss in this video. Okay, so let's see first, what is the circle? First topic is the circle. What is the circle? Listen, children. Circle is the path of the points. Circle is the path of a points. The points are moving in a plane such that its distance, it means moving points. If any moving point in a plane, if points are moving in a plane such that its distance from fixed point, that is known as the center. This is moving point. This is fixed point. Center H and K we can put here. Let H and K. This is the center, and this is the moving point. So definition I hope clear. The points move in a plane such that its distance from fixed point always constant. That is known as the circle. Now let's see how to find OP length. Distance formula in 10th standard you know very well. How to find the distance between two points. So see here how to find OP length. X minus H whole square y minus k whole square under the root. So this is radius of these points. Is it clear? So we can write r is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k whole square. Now squaring both sides. So r square is equal to x minus h square plus y minus k whole square. This is the equation of the circle. Is it clear? So P be any moving point or is the fixed point. Moving point always constant by the definition. So x minus whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r. Now question, let's discuss exercise 11.1. In NCERT it is given In each of the following first five question, find the equation of the circle. आपने equation find करनी है. How to find equation of the circle if center is given and radius is given? So first find center is given. C is equal to 0 and 2. Center is given and radius is also given. So dear students, when radius and center are given, how to make equation of the circle? So apply same formula. Put here center means h and k and radius is 2. So you can write same formula. See, this is the center 0, 2 and this is the moving points x, y, moving points, and this radius is 2. So now we can find OP by applied distance formula. X minus h 0. X minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square is equal to r square. Putting the value of r here 2. 2 square x square, open this bracket, y square plus 4 minus 4y. So x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4, and this 4 cancel out. So x square plus y square minus 4y is equal to 0. This is the equation of the circle. And main points, if anyone asks you which equation is this, see the coefficient of x square and coefficient of y square always equal, that is known as the circle equation. So I think first concept clear. How to make the equation when center is given and radius is given. One more important question you see here. Second case. Question number 5. This is most important. Students are confused here. So center is given minus a and b, and radius is also given a square minus b square under the rule. So how to make equation of the circle? So generally you have learned this x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square. So derivation I hope clear. In last question we had to discuss how to make this equation. Okay, when circle is given, center is given and fixed point or moving point is given. So here moving point is, radius is this, center is minus a and b. Okay, how to make? So putting here value h and k. H is equal to minus a, k is equal to b, and radius is given. So putting the value x minus h whole square, h is here minus a, and k, y minus k, k is equal to b whole square is equal to r. What is r? A square minus b square under the rule. Okay, this is the equation. Now scaling both sides. If you are scaling here, then square to square root cancel. So we can say x plus a whole square y minus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square. Now simplify this. So x square plus a square plus 2ax. Now y square plus b square minus 2by is equal to a square minus b square. Now a square to a square cancel, and simplify this. We got x square plus y square plus 2ax minus 2by plus b square. This is the equation of the circle when center is given and radius is given. So first 5 question I hope clear everyone. Now come to next question 6 to 10.
सर 2b स्क्वायर आएगा.
हाँ 2b स्क्वायर है लास्ट में.
नीचे लास्ट में.
ओके,
अरे वो काट देगा वो बाद में. सर काट देगा वो बाद में. कुछ
कार दे कौन देगा, वो तो सारा पता है. ठीक है, ये तो लिख के समय ह्यूमन बीइंग है, किसी भी गलती हो सकती है. मेन हमारे को मेथड समझना. ठीक है,
अरे काट देगा यार.
काट दे उसको भी नवा दे, फिर करते हैं चालू.
हाँ सर.
ठीक है. हैं बता दिए स्टार्ट करें तब